Yo, welcome to another episode of How to Sew with E-Log. I'm your host, E-Log, and today we're sewing a hook pouch. At least that's what I think it's called. We're using the Papillon 14 pattern. Before we get into it, I want to say thank you for 2,000 subscribers. The support is highly appreciated, and if I'm honest, the 2K came much sooner than I expected, so I am really stoked. Thanks a lot for subscribing, and thank you guys for liking my content. Back to the video. The pattern is free and you can find a link in the description. Today's sewing project is beginner friendly and quick to sew, and the measurements will be on screen right now. If you want to draft at home, you won't need a lot of fabric to make this one. In fact, I only used like fabric that was the size of an A3 paper. So without further ado, print your pattern and let's get started. You need a 1/4 meter of your shell fabric, a 1/4 meter of your lining fabric. This is optional, but Velcro, which is 2 inches wide, a 20 centimeter zip, and a hook, which is 1 inch wide. Like any other Papillon pattern, you'll find that your first page has information like the name and code of your pattern. It'll let you know how many pattern pieces there are, and there will be a list of all the materials that you'll need. We do not have webbing today, but I did use Velcro instead. I printed out the A3 version and it fits all the pattern pieces, which is great. On them, you'll find information like which pattern piece it is, how many to cut, and the direction of the grain line.
Have them looking like they doubt on how they sewing it now. Mama rappers don't want to hear it, so they rolling it loud. I know they mad cause I've chosen a sound. I used to think I'm cool with God cause I ain't stolen a while, but that's ignorant. He said he the best and I'm offended. I'm trying to get a girl that can help me control my spending, but I can't be cuffed now cause I ain't got no feelings. And when it rains it pours, girl, and I ain't got no ceiling. But we in the building and it's a wonderful feeling. We in the building and it's a wonderful feeling. Yeah, had to park the car just to rest my arms. And police can't arrest me, they just arrest my arms. Protect my bars so I can be the best by far. If you think that I'm the best, clearly you ain't met my mom. I mean, she not perfect, I wish she kept my funds. If you my baby mama, you my wife, can't nobody step my son. And if the ops scare me, I just hope you know why I kept my gun. In case a nigga try to get my son, I won't protect my son. I'm going crazy, I think they gave me the wrong mess. I heard you lazy, you always getting your palm red. Boy, I'm the greatest, I don't care what your paw said. The grass greener on the other side, but my lawn red. Yeah. I'm catching bodies, they think it's probably a hobby. I don't trust a soul, but if Avy say he got me, I copy. I mean it. I swear that nigga's fighting my demons. That's the reason I'ma call him a beam. That's the reason I'ma call him a demon. SRTM. But I'm beaming, so I'm cool with a beamer.
Notice I'm folding the shell fabric a little bit towards the zip, and I am pulling the lining fabric away from the zip. When you get to the zip, what you want to do is keep your needle in the fabric, raise the foot, move the zip back, put the foot back down, and keep sewing. What you'll notice at this point is that your front piece is actually bigger than your back piece. So what you want to do is place your back piece on top of the front piece, and you're going to sew a 1/4 of an inch to the left of your stitch that's already there on your back piece. Move carefully and slowly when you are sewing over the zip. This is a plastic zip. If you are using a metal zip, you want to make sure that the needle does not touch the teeth of the zipper. I had a lot of fun with this one, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I really like the brown zip on the camo fabric and the like brown stitching, so cool. This one is different from the last one I made because I didn't have the binding inside, and I'm really happy I added it this time. Although one thing that I probably would change is either one, changing the corner where I do that last fold, just maybe put it at a low corner because the binding is making the pouch more rounded at the corners. But if you want to avoid the roundness completely, I'd advise using binding for real and not the fabric for this, because binding is more light. But other than that, man, I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's great. And yeah, I hope you guys like it, and I hope I can see what you guys do. Again, print the pattern, get the pattern, it's free. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Peace.
Matter of fact, ayo, Kino, make sure my vocals is loud. Cause these niggas tryna see my soul in the ground. Niggas can't bear it, so I'm poking it now. Have them looking like they doubt on how they sewing it now. Mama rappers don't wanna hear it, so they rolling it loud. I know they mad cause I've chosen a sound. I used to think I'm cool with God cause I ain't stolen a while. But that's ignorant. He said he the best and I'm offended. I'm tryna get a girl that can help me control my spending. But I can't be cuffed now cause I ain't got no feelings. And when it rains it pours, girl, and I ain't got no ceiling. But we in the building, and it's a wonderful feeling. We in the building, and it's a wonderful feeling. Yeah. Yeah, had to